Okay, so welcome back to part 2 of my PC upgrade video. I already cleaned part of the PC case. There was a lot of dust accumulated over the years. Can't remember the last time I cleaned this. So I have here the power supply, a spare SATA cable that I was using before with this 2.5-inch drive, hard drive. This is a laptop hard drive. It was temporarily just hanging here. I was using it because I needed extra storage and I needed it fast, so this was a quick fix. So yeah, since then I put this in an external rack for hard disks. Yeah, it's quite practical. You can travel with it. It's quite a cool device now. Yeah, but okay, I need now to upgrade with a proper PC hard disk. I will use this 3.5-inch hard drive. Remounting it here. I also have this 1TB Western Digital Black hard drive, also 1TB. I think it was Kingston, can't remember. Kingston SSD, 240 gigs. What else I have here? I have 8 gigs of RAM, 3 slots available. The i5, was it 5500, I think, yeah, without the overclocking ability. And I've been using it for the past 5 years with the stock cooler, which is enough for what kind of work I'm doing on it. Yeah, pretty standard motherboard, gigabyte motherboard. And we have here the Corsair power supply. I wasn't planning on using a video card, so 450 watts of power was more than enough. Yeah, besides that, I will be putting the optical drive in somewhere around here. I unfortunately did not take into account that I also need some mounting screws, so I kind of scrapped these from an old PC I had lying around, and I will be using these to kind of mount these two drives somehow. I hope it's gonna be sturdy enough, but yeah, I think 2 screws on each drive should be enough. I hope so. I think I will space these the hard disk region so I can get some airflow between them. I'm not gonna stack them right one on top of the other because although they're not a very demanding component, it's gonna heat up quite quickly, especially if they're stacked one on top of the other. So this was part 2 of my PC upgrade video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.